Before we start this consumer compute, just wanted to let you know, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also get a Patreon account, sign up for free. We have the Moto Edge 2024. This is Motorola's new mid-range phone, and it's actually telling us that we have a 68 watt turbocharged type of phone, so you can charge this phone using a 68 watt charger, and it's supposedly gonna power up in 15 minutes. Now, this is what the Motorola website is telling me while I look at it, as well as you have 15 watt wireless charging. Some other features that are in here are we have a 50 megapixel main shooting camera, and we also have, I guess they're saying that it's IP68 rating, so that the phone itself is waterproof at that. And also another big thing that they've added to this phone is called the quick button, which you're able to open up specific applications, quickly opening that phone up. Also, this phone has a Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor, and it's giving you 256 gigabytes of storage, no SD card, unfortunately, for extra RAM, as well as if we're looking in the box, there is no 68 watt power charger, which I'm kind of disappointed about. At least they give us the fast charging cable. It's specialized cable in there. You can see the little red stuff inside the USB-C cable, whereas the Edge Plus 2023 did come with a 68 watt charger from last year. Now, this phone retails at $550, and that's through Motorola. You can also buy it at Best Buy. I've seen it at Metro by T-Mobile, as well as T-Mobile. Now, this is where I purchased this phone. I purchased it outright, and I think T-Mobile's got the idea. I purchased this phone for $299, not the $550. Metro by T-Mobile, you can also do the same thing and purchase it for that price, as well as if you add a line, you can get it for free, or if you port over a line, you can get it for free. Same deal with T-Mobile, add a line and trade in any device. While adding a line, you can get it for free. If you port over a number, you can get it for free, as well as if you trade in any device on the T-Mobile Go Plus Next or Go Plus, you're able to get this phone free through monthly credits. Not exactly too sure of any other carriers at the moment having this phone, but if you guys know of them, please leave it down in the comments and help everyone out. All right, so if we noticed inside the box here, we got our USB-C charger, we got the usual usage pamphlet that tells us how to use the phone. It's built into the paper plastic like we've seen with all the 24 series Motorola phones. Now, the big difference that we're seeing here with the Edge is that it actually has vegan leather on the back, just like the Moto G, which I love it. And also, they are using the edged glass for the Edge. This almost looks like a replica of the Edge Plus. It's a little smaller, a little lighter. Kind of makes me question if this phone's made of aluminum or if it's made of plastic. But in the long run, after a few days of holding on to it, I've got used to it. Very sexy, sleek phone. The lighting kind of does us a little injustice because this phone is not black. It's midnight blue. And if you put this in direct sunlight, you can definitely see that blue vegan leather as well as the blue edges of the phone. We have our microphone jacks. We have our two cameras, boasting the big 50 megapixel camera. And also the big thing that we see here is The new boot up logo, unfortunately, it doesn't like say hello Moto. It just says it on the screen. It doesn't say it out loud. So what do you guys think about the new Moto Edge 2024? Put it down in the comments. It retails for $540. Stay tuned. I have some other videos popping out. Along with this video, I actually do have a review of the Moto Action button, which I personally feel that Motorola should throw that into every single phone that they're going to put out throughout the year now. I think that's a very useful button.
This is Consumer Compute, and I'll see you in my next video.